Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 4 minutes, so I will pause the recording software for now. And as soon as I see some sort of opportunity, I will get the software recording once again. All right, I have an order at 39 here for a put contract. Looking to do options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide and I will link you to a free class I put together called the Big Basics of Options. I'm watching this number over here. I want to see that go to 39 and slightly below. And then that white order will turn green, meaning I was able to buy. I'm actually going to cancel that out. I think I can get a little bit better. Let's try 38.50. All right, I'll pause for now. Okay, I'm on best bid. Wow, no way. Notice how it was not filling me. I was just sitting there and it would not fill. Let's try 37.50. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to try for a put here at 38.70. All right, I'll pause. I was close for a second. But yeah, I'll pause. Have an order at 38.70. All right, once again, was close. I will pause. Maybe here. I'm just actually gonna cancel that out. It's right now it feels like it could really go either way because it's tightened up in this little range here. All right. At this point, I'm just gonna wait until I get filled on something and then I will get the video. All right, there we go. Getting a little bit. Maybe I can try 38.50 here. There we go. In at 38.50. See what it wants to do here. All right, out there for a $100 loss. Went up too much. So I had to go into loss control mode. All right, so starting with the $100 loss, let's see what else I can find. Okay, I have an order at 37.70. Going to try again. Unbelievable how. Let's try 37.20. Look at that. Very hard to get filled. Let's try 37. There we go. In at 37. See what it wants to do here. I'd like to see it down below 80. There we go. So back to break even there. Got the $100 scalp on that one. Very good. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 36.70 for a put once again. I will pause. All right, looking for a put here at 41.50. 41.20. Again, put at 41.20. I'm actually going to, there we go. Give this thing a little bit more breathing room. We'll see if it wants to signal some sort of weakness. I will pause. All right, going for, it was a little too slow. I don't know if I would have been filled anyways, but give it another try. Have a put at 38.50. All right, let's try 37.50 at this point. Yeah, seeing that secondary action, I wouldn't have been filled anyways. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 38.70 for a put. It was close for a second. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 39.20 here. Trying to get filled. Was on best bid, but did not get hit. I'm going to go to 38.70 instead. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe gonna fill it. I changed to 38.70, can't remember, and I'm in there, 38.70, and out for $50 in the blink of an eye. Now, I like those ones. That's how it's supposed to go. In fact, we're gonna try that again, 38.70. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 38.70. Oh, shot up there. Did not hit me, though. Let's go to 37.70. Now instead, or do I just move it up to 39? Is this some sort of resistance right here? Decisions. I'm just going to leave it at 37.70 at this point. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 43.20. Nope. I'm going to go back down to my original plan at 41.50. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm trying to figure out. So 40.70 seems to be the most ideal one. I'm trying to slip in before 517.50, so I'm just trying to gauge where the price of the option will be at that point in time. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe here I'm trying to get filled in at 40.70. Oh, I missed that yellow line. I should have just waited for that. Granted, I'm talking in hindsight here. Okay, I added one there just because that would have been a good entry point regardless. Oh, click too fast. Took one out at 40 and then kind of just muscle reaction. Clicked it again too fast and took myself out at 40 again. So only $40 on that one. But I need to revisit that. So in hindsight, yes, I got in too soon on that first one. Yeah. Even if that first one would have worked out, I mean, I had that yellow line, which is significant to me. And had I would have waited there, I would have been beautiful. Now, the one thing to give myself a little credit, I'm glad I added another one because that was a good entry point. And, had my first one button at 39.50, that would have been, or I'm sorry, I bought that second one at 39. So had I gotten 39, that would have been a relatively easy $100 bill right there. But I didn't wait. So kind of put myself behind the 8 ball. And then, you saw me click twice quicker than what I should have. But so not the smoothest of mornings, but all things considered, especially when you factor in that I started off down $100 on the day. Now I'm up 90. I'll take it even with the mess ups. I have an order at 38.70. Oh, you dirty dog. Did not film and it's just sitting there. That makes me nervous. You can scroll back and you'll see that I was right there. 38.70 was there. The price was right at that yellow line, but I was not getting filled. Meaning, if I was going to get filled, it would have been under the, under the context of now it breaking that yellow line. So I wasn't trying to get filled on the break. I was trying to get filled at the yellow line, and I was close, but not close enough. And there it gets rejected back down. So right there, the power of charts. But that also goes to show that just because you're right from the general sense, thinking, okay, I think it go up that yellow line and pull back a little bit. I was right. Generally speaking, I was right. But notice I didn't make any money from it because from the finer tune details, well, you still got to get the entry point right and all of that. So a good example there of power of charts, but also a good example there of just because you sit there and you're looking at a situation and you're making broad, I think it'll go there and then go down. Oh yeah, see, it went up and it went down. I would have made money. That's a big jump in logic there. Because there's a lot that goes on in between there to make sure that happens. But all right, I will pause. Oh, filled there at 43.50. Wow, I don't know if I captured that on video. You heard in my voice because that thing just flushed straight down and hit me. I know I got the exit point. That was pretty intense. I'm interested now at that blue line once again, which is 70. So go 41.50 here. See if it wants to come down there. Throw the order out there. I don't know if I captured that. That was pretty intense. That was cool. Maybe we can get another one. We'll see. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe here. And I'm at 41.50. Okay, I'm going to just continue to play things on the conservative side. Now I'm going to go to 40.50 just in case this thing jolts down. I definitely want to be done by 11:30, so still have 13 minutes. All right, I'll pause. All right, a little bit past 11:30, kind of got sidetracked. But yeah, haven't really, never really come to close to any trades. So that's all I have for you. So 140 with commissions, call it 120, was basically 2 hours. So $65 an hour. No, that's not right. $60 an hour. So yeah, not quite. I'd like to at least get up over $200 if I'm at it for 2 hours, which keeps me up over $100 an hour of my time at computer, but didn't quite hit that, but that's all right. I'll try to look at things as half full. Had some mistakes, did some stupid things. Wasn't patient enough with that one trade and did start off down in a $100 hole. So to start in a $100 hole and still close out making 120-ish, like I said, I'll be happy about that. So that's how sometimes things go. You don't quite hit your goals, but it is what it is. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and Be sure to check out the site, claytrader.com. Sorry, I'm still looking. It's amazing. I'm like, should I take another trade? But no, I need to move on with my day. So that's all I have for you. Like I said, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and check out the site, claytrader.com. Falling off the bottom. That'd probably be good. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that help me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second one is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use, but in a cruel way. This becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I will open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch a replay that I will send you. Click the images that are on the screen, and you can, God, what is my deal? Come on! Idiots. Our recording time is quickly diminishing. Why? Because are all these takes?
Oh, we got like 60-some minutes left, 50 minutes left. We're good.
I don't know. We still got a lot of videos to go. Well, I guess not all of them are going to be on this camera though, right? Not all the videos are going to be on this camera, are they?
Which one are we going to shoot on this camera?
I don't know, the one I'm driving in the truck.
Oh, yeah, the one we're going to put on this camera.
Oh, on this one we are?
Who's the one?
I don't know, for 50 minutes it's going to be enough. Because all my screw-ups keep influencing this, right?
Yeah, that's okay though. It'll be fine.
Worst case, you just have to go home and get a new thing.
I just have to empty this card and then redo it, or fill it, and then, yeah, then empty this card. So go back to that way.
Here?
Go ahead. A little more. Yeah,
Here?
there
Okay.
you go. You ready?
Yep. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.